Japan Dyno, the best of Japan to you. Howdy, this is Andy of Japan Dyno, and I have for you an FATT turbo timer by the BLITZ Company of Japan, commonly known as the FATT turbo timer, FATT. This is the FATT DC version of the turbo timer. BLITZ, of course, a famous tuning and performance company here in Japan. The BLITZ turbo timer, a multi-functioning device with various functions, including the auto timer, so it will automatically calculate the amount of time that the turbo needs to spool down based on the load the vehicle has, or a manual turbo timer where you can manually set the countdown time. Also a temperature gauge and battery voltage gauge, as well as a stopwatch and 5-lap time timer. So the FATT DC, a multi-function turbo timer made by the BLITZ Company of Japan. And this particular unit removed from a Daihatsu Move, the Daihatsu Move L150 type. So it has a vehicle-specific flange here, the TY07, which is the Daihatsu flange, vehicle-specific flange. Of course, the universal flange here, it can be wired into any turbo vehicle at all, and hardwired into any turbo vehicle, but it has the vehicle-specific flange for the Daihatsu. And the unit itself, the controller, the connector there that connects to the universal harness, the electrical harness, safety circuit, and so forth, including the Japanese instructions, the FATT DC3 instructions by the BLITZ Company here in Japan. Very tidy example. We'll run through some further photos. Here we have it on the temperature function, 7.3 centigrade or Celsius there, and the unit as it lights up at night. Although we overexposed the photo a little bit there, there's not a problem with the LCD. That's just our overexposure in the camera there. On voltage meter at this point, so it glows a nice green color at night. The BLITZ FATT DC multifunctioning turbo timer, made in Japan, from Japan. Thank you. In order to serve you better, we have our website at www.japandyno.com, as well as our blog, the Japan Dyno Daily Fix, where we feature items of special interest. Look forward to seeing you there.